Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will talk about the food court feature and how the customer app, the restaurant owner app, and the delivery person app works in it. Let's start with placing a food order through the customer app. Open the food court app in your device. Tap food court option. Tap the restaurant from where you want to place your order. Here you can check all the details about the restaurant, like its address, restaurant opening time, and delivery time. Tap View Menu. Tap on the food item. Tap Plus button and add the food item to your cart. Now tap the cart icon to go to your cart. Here you can check the order details, including total price. You can even apply a coupon here. To check out, tap Checkout. Here you'll see two options, delivery and pickup. You can select the one you would prefer. For delivery, you need to provide your billing address. Enter your first name, phone number, email address, and select the country. If your delivery address is different from your billing address, tick mark this checkbox and provide your delivery address. If you want to give any special instructions to the restaurant, you could do so here. You also have the option to get your food order delivered at your preferred time. If you want your food item delivered instantly, you can select as soon as possible, or you can select a later option and select the time you want. Once you are finished, tap Confirm. You'll be redirected to the order preview section. Here you can check all the details of your food order. Tap Checkout to continue. Next comes payment. Here you can make the payment using different options like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or others. Or you can go for cash on delivery. Tap Confirm to finish completing your order. You'll be redirected to the thank you page where you can recheck all your food order details. You'll also receive a push notification after you confirm the order. Now let's move on to the restaurant owner app. As soon as the customer places the order, the specific restaurant owner will receive a push notification stating you have received a new order. Tap the push notification. You'll be redirected to the pending orders section under order history. Tap the order. Here you can check the order details. You can accept the order or decline it. Tap Accept to accept the order. Now you need to select the delivery time. Once you are finished, tap Done to continue. Next comes sending requests to delivery persons. Tap Send Request. Once the request is sent, you will see a confirmation message. Tap OK. Now moving on to the delivery person app. As soon as the restaurant owner sends the request, a push notification will be received by the delivery person. They will tap the notification. Here you can check the order details, and they can accept the order or decline it. Tap Accept to accept the order. As soon as the delivery person accepts the request, the restaurant owner will receive a push notification stating that the delivery person has accepted the order. And customers will receive a push notification stating that their order has been accepted by the restaurant. Once the delivery person is ready to pick up the order, they will tap Confirm Pickup. As soon as the delivery person picks up the order, the customer will receive a push notification stating that the delivery person has picked up the order from the restaurant. When the delivery person is on the way to deliver the order, the restaurant owner will receive a push notification stating that the delivery person is on the way to deliver the order. The restaurant owner can even track the delivery persons by tapping on Track Delivery Boy. Once the delivery person reaches the destination and taps I have arrived, the restaurant owner will receive a confirmation message that the delivery person has reached the customer's destination, and the customer will receive the message to collect the order from the delivery person. As soon as the delivery person accepts the payment and taps on Finish Order, the restaurant owner will receive a push notification stating that the delivery person has successfully delivered the order, while the customer will receive a confirmation of the delivery of their order. The customer will then be redirecting to the ratings and reviews page, where they can provide the ratings and give reviews of the restaurant. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.